15 mind-blowing strategies to save a ton of money. If I were to ask you, what would saving money involve? Your mind will immediately reflect on the discipline and sacrifice required to develop an excellent saver. Even if these are all admirable qualities you should cultivate in yourself, there is something even more intriguing that you probably didn't realize may affect your saving behaviors: your mind. It can influence your perception of saving to one of sport or punishment. Fortunately, since the human mind is not fixed, we can readily alter the way we think and feel about things like saving. Hello there, this is the Financial Fortune, and in this video, we will talk about 15 mind-blowing strategies that can help you save a ton of money. Before we begin, please don't forget to leave a like, click subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we release new videos. Number 1. Start small. Everyone you see today who has a sizable bank account and savings account didn't magically appear the way on earth. Instead, they made gradual progress toward it. Everybody starts small, and that is often where we all end up. Number 2. Set a goal in your mind. The implementation of the plan comes after the goal has been established. Many people fail to complete this phase because we frequently overlook the factor that will need the most mental effort. Visualizing your goals is a great method to set your mind on the course it needs and encourages you to put your best foot forward. Imagination is wonderful for the mind. You'll discover that you become more resilient and disciplined by just envisioning the goal's outcomes, since the image in the back of your mind motivates you to go forward in the direction of accomplishing the desired goal. Number 3. Ask yourself what is most important. Collectively, we are currently more interested in following trends than anything else. The problem with this is that fashion changes over time. We stop using or wearing anything after we've become accustomed to it and it's no longer considered fashionable. Money was wasted on this. The simplest method to get around this is to consider the real value of the item you want to purchase. Number 4. Imagine a more prosperous you. Imagine yourself having more money than you have now, and it will help you save a ton of money. A bigger home, a quicker car, and a flashier outfit. Imagine having all of these things, as well as luxury of being able to pay your bills on time every month without having to live paycheck to paycheck. You'll be more conscious of how much money you spend each day if you keep this image in mind. You'll constantly be reminded of how much money you're spending away from that wealthy version of yourself with every pointless expenditure. Number 5. Utilize the power of pre-commitment. Make a pre-commitment and make sure you follow through on it. A good example is a savings requirement which many people fulfill when they are enthusiastic about saving money but stop doing it once they lose that enthusiasm. In order to identify the reasons why you aren't saving, be proactive and surpass your savings target. Once you commit to anything, there is no getting out from under its influence. Whether you like it or not, debts and commitments are interrelated and both must be fulfilled. Number 6. When transitions occur, take advantage of them. It's vital to go from one place to another in life. Accept each stage of life as it comes and all the little accomplishments that come with it. Make the most of the opportunities by learning something new by using them to your advantage. Use a milestone in your savings as motivation. Scaling up to the next level is a challenge. Number 7. Try the stranger test. The stranger test is a useful mental exercise to help you push yourself to save more money. Although employing this strategy adds more additional motivation, saving needs a lot of discipline. Have you heard the stranger test before? And if you do you find it effective? Comment your thoughts down below and don't forget to like and share this video. Alright, let's get back to it. Number 8. Put it in writing. How many items have you forgotten to pick up something from the grocery store even though you reminded yourself over 10 times? There is a reason why grocery lists are so popular. Making a list may seem cliche, monotonous, or corny, but it's always worthwhile. There are just so many things in your mind. Buying lists, to-do lists, and financial objectives. Put them all in writing. These plans and lists can assist you in becoming more aware of your goals. It's important to have a plan of action. For instance, if you write out your financial objectives, you'll know exactly what measures to do to cross them off the list. Even better, it could inspire you to create a comprehensive strategy. Number 9. prioritize earning money over saving money. In certain cases, the pain of putting a specific portion of your money into an account where it will do nothing except sit around is greater than the benefit. By concentrating more on producing money than on saving money, you might avoid this undesirable feeling when you are saving. This is due to the fact that having more money will make saving simpler for you because you won't have to give up a lot of your favorite activities. Even yet, it still pays to exercise financial restraint so that you can attain your desired level of wealth in the future. Number 10. Manage regular little purchases. The understanding and management of little regular purchases is another underused mind trick. Small frequent purchases may seem insignificant, but if you do some accounting to see how much money you spend each day, you'll be shocked at how much money you waste. Overall saving capacity is eventually enhanced by effective money management. One of the main causes of impulsive spending is little expenditures like groceries and takeouts. By keeping track of your purchases, you may develop healthy management practices. These behaviors will also increase your margin of savings. Number 11. Pay using cash as opposed to a card. Watching a large pile of money gradually shrink in size with each transaction is really unpleasant. You can clearly see money slipping out of your pocket, which forces you to carefully consider every purchase. Unlike when you use a credit card, you are forced to consider the true value of the items you are purchasing when money is exchanged for goods because it is tangible. You sort of possess this illusion that a card is bottomless honeypot. Therefore, you continue to dive and plunge until you finally discover that you have a big debt to repay as a result of everything you purchased at once. This causes you to spend all of your money and accumulate debt instead of saving. It's hardly the ideal strategy to spend the rest of your life battling debt and interest, is it? Number 12. Plan money dates. Just like participating in book club events helps you remain on the top of your reading game, doing the same for your financial prosperity will keep you on the course at all times because it is humiliating to be the only member of the group to not save their allotted amount. Number 13. Maintain a change jar. When you were younger, fitting a penny into your piggy bank only to find that it is already full was healthy. But when we got older, we stopped saving in our piggy banks. It's time to start maintaining a change jar around your home for the sake of nurturing our inner children. The sensation of accomplishment and feel-good hormones you'll experience when you can no longer fit any change in will provide the encouragement we all need to continue saving. Number 14. Convert prices to hours. Would you prefer to get $300,000 in monthly installments rather than big sum of $1 million cash today? The first choice would be picked by most individuals. Even though one could earn 3 times as much with a second choice, most people would still ask for the immediate million. Why? We always choose the quick satisfaction choice because we are humans. Because of this, you must train your mind to prevent thoughtless spending without considering how many hours of effort would be necessary to earn the same amount again. After realizing it will take you 12,000 hours of blood, sweat, and tears to comfortably afford it, I guarantee you won't get that $10,000 car. Number 15. Round up the savings. Rounding up your funds is the finest modification you can make to your saving strategy. The way this works is by rounding your purchase price to the nearest dollar, then the difference will go to a separate account. For instance, if you round up a pair of earnings that cost you $1.50 to the closest dollar, the correct amount is 2. So $0.50 are immediately transferred from your spending account to a different savings account. This is an easy method to get your mind to start saving money without actually experiencing financial strain. And that is it for the 15 strategies you can use to save a ton of money. If you like this video, you might want to check out this video we made about the things you should never spend money on in order to save money, or check out our playlist on saving money. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like and share this video. This is Financial Fortune, and thank you for watching.